The gas helium was discovered on the sun and therefore was called helium after the sun. I'm going to drink up some helium from a balloon. This has been already filled with helium. And I'm going to recite to you, because in my mouth cavities, the vowel sounds are echoes to and fro with the speed of sound. But helium atoms move so much faster than air molecules that the echoes will happen much faster. It'll change the general nature of my voice. Just for fun, therefore, I shall say, 3 blind mice. See how they run. First of all, I'll unleash this. I want some oxygen for...
Three blind mice. See how they run.
Ready?
Three blind mice.
See how they run.
That's the end of the lecture.